In front of me is Realme 12, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down to access special features. Then tap on simple mode at the bottom and tap on enter simple mode, then wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, easy mode is on. To go back to the standard one, click on settings again. Hit exit simple mode at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!